Hey guys, welcome back. So the issue I'm having is that my GFCI outlet right in front of you here trips every time I try and use my treadmill. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. I've just plugged it in. As you can see, treadmill's on, but if I go ahead and hit play, look what happens. Not sure if you heard it, but it clicked. I'm gonna go ahead, reset it, and then just keep your eyes on it. I'm gonna go ahead and press play again on the treadmill. And as soon as I hit play, pow, it trips. So I'm gonna make an attempt to go ahead and fix this. Now that I've got no power there, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Just need a flathead. Okay. Then the top. Then it should just come right off. Yep. Now on this outlet, you've got two screws holding it in. One right here and another one right down here. Whoever painted this wall painted over it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those out now. So the outlet you're seeing on the screen right now is actually a 15 amp breaker. And I went ahead and got me a 20 amp breaker, as you can show you right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and now install this. Because they're both GFCIs, all you really need to do is line up the wires. And in the back of it, it shows you where they should go. The hot wire, the white wire, the ground is over here. And again, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, by all means, go ahead and contact an electrician. So right, all wired up. Looks good to me. All right, so just got done wiring it back up. Just note that it's the same outlet, basically, just a different amperage. So the one I had prior was 15, and this is now 20. I should probably test it now just to make sure my theory is right, but I'm pretty sure this is the issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall, and we'll do a test to confirm that the treadmill no longer trips the GFCI. So just bear with me here while I do this. Good. It's crooked. But guess what? I don't care. It's my place. I'll fix it later. Doesn't look too bad. Just a bit of a perfectionist, I tell you. Call this the homeowner special. All right. Let's plug her in. Turn on the breaker. And everything should be good to go. See a light up here? Okay. I hear the treadmill automatically came on. Let me show you guys. Pow. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that green button right there while we bring the camera back on the outlet to see if it trips or a light comes on. So I just hit play. We have a countdown going. Wow. Nothing yet. Check this out. It's working. You can see the material on the treadmill, whatever you call that, is actually moving. Let me increase the speed to see if that changes anything. That's the screen. 2.0. I mean, usually the breaker trips at this point and it shuts everything down. So I think we're in business. So if you guys enjoyed it, it'd mean the world to me if you can hit that like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.